In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting invite in Outlook Calendar. We'll walk through the exact steps to set up a meeting from start to finish, so by the end, you'll know how to add the right details, pick a time everyone can make, and share the invite with confidence. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to open fully. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your usual credentials and confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the left side of the window and select the calendar icon. This switches you from Mail to your calendar view, where you can see your day, week, or month at a glance. Next, click New Event in the top left corner. This opens a blank meeting form. Think of this as your canvas for the invite. Everything you add here shapes what attendees will see. Start with the title. Enter a clear, descriptive name for the meeting so people immediately understand the purpose. Concise and informative is best. Something like Project Kickoff or Quarterly Review works well. Now invite attendees. In the Invite Attendees box, type names or email addresses. Outlook will often suggest matches from your contacts or directory. Select the correct ones as they appear. Double-check spellings to avoid sending invites to the wrong person, and include all required participants. Set the date and time. Choose the start and end times that fit your plan. If your organization spans multiple regions, confirm the time zone shown is correct. For help finding a slot that works for everyone, open the Scheduling Assistant tab. This view shows attendee availability, making it much easier to spot conflicts and nudge the meeting to a free window. Adjust the time until you see a compatible slot. Add where the meeting will happen. If it's in person, type a physical location or room name. If it's virtual, toggle the Teams meeting switch. Outlook will automatically generate a Teams link and insert it into the invite, so attendees can join with a single click. If your meeting is hybrid, include both the physical location and the Teams link, so everyone is covered. When everything looks right, the title, attendees, timing, and location, click Send to deliver the invitation. The event will appear on your calendar, and each attendee will receive an invite they can accept, tentatively accept, or decline. If you need to make changes later, update the event and send the update so everyone stays in sync. That's it. Your Outlook meeting invite is ready.